Toshiba is a technology leader, and to meet the market requirement in terms of lumen efficacy and lumen per watt, we have developed a new technology based on the silicon substrate. So with this, we are expecting that we will be able to meet the customer requirement in terms of the lumen efficacy and cost per watt. So this is our lineup. We are basically focusing on the low and mid power segment. And then apart from LED, we have discrete like MOSFETs, high voltage MOSFET, which is again used in the periphery of LED drivers, and also we have the LED driver. So we are trying to come up with some complete end-to-end solution for the LED lighting market. So that is our product range we are exhibiting here for Indian market.
Have you seen an increased awareness in customer knowledge regarding LED technology?
Yes. Most of the customer, they are asking what is this technology, and yes, we have tell them what is the advantage and benefit that customer will be having with our new technology.
And how has the experience at the expo been so far?
This is our fourth time Toshiba is participating here, and compared to previous year, every year we see the footfall of customers growing here, and this year also compared to last year, it is better. We have seen the real customers and a lot of opportunities for us. So for business, there are many business opportunities for us to cater here.
What are your views on the semiconductor market in India?
Of course, this is again growing just like the another market, and we have seen the customer awareness. Now many customers, they know about the technologies, and they know the in-depth of the technology. So yeah, this market is growing, and to grow in this market, everyone has to invest in the resources as well as in the technology.
And what are your views on the price trends of LED?
Of course, as the market is growing, there is a huge pressure to bring down the price, and that's why to meet that price requirement, we have developed a new technology, silicon technology.
How is this different? You talk about silicon technology. How's it different?
Silicon, okay, conventional LED is based on the sapphire technology. So all our competitors, they use sapphire, and we came up with a different technology because we are a technology leader. So this is a silicon technology. So in terms of the production yield, silicon is better because silicon is used abundantly in the semiconductor devices. So that's why with silicon, the yield is better.
What other factors do you think contribute towards the decline in prices?
Of course, as the market demand increases, the price goes down. So this is a universal law. So if the demand is increasing, so we have to scale up our production, and we have to make more efficient product. So that's a universal law, nothing unique.
Domestic manufacturing would, bring down the price considerably.
Domestic manufacturer of what? LED system or LED light?
Components or manufacturing components and things like that.
Therefore, that is a complete ecosystem that India is trying to develop, and still I would say we are heavily dependent upon the outside India market. So if we can develop the complete ecosystem, we can make a customized product for India as well as for the outside market. Right now we are importing to India, but I think every industry should work towards export market. We develop our light product here and export it to the outside India.
And is this something that Toshiba is looking at?
Yes, of course. That's why we are investing heavily on our resources to help Indian manufacturers to develop their product.
Thank you so much.